What does Easter mean to you?
Oh, Easter mean you give thanks to the Lord, you know what I'm saying? And Lord done blessed everybody, and for the kids to go Easter egg hunting, just show love, because that's what the Lord wants us to do, show love everywhere.
Waiting on Easter? I hope you are, because I am.
Easter for me is very fond memories of getting up early on Easter Sunday to go to that Easter sunrise service.
Jesus died on a Friday, and in 3 days he rose. So that is the real reason of the season.
Happy Easter! Happy Easter!
By his resurrection, we have, through his blood that he shed, we have the avenue of forgiveness.
My favorite part about it is the beautiful colors that the people wear to church, the Easter colors.
And I might get me a few boiled eggs, that's what I might do. Yeah.
Jesus Christ and the 3 days he spent and just coming back to us, and it makes us want to come back and just give back. So if you're on board with me, then let's just enjoy this Easter, come back ready and build you some more folks.
Happy Easter! Happy Easter!
Happy Easter, everybody!
What Easter means to me is hearing those three great words. He is risen, he is risen, he is risen. It's Resurrection Sunday. So from all of us here at Regulator, we'd like to say Happy Easter to you and your family.